In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Monday.com using the Chrome browser. If you're working with Monday.com regularly, it's crucial to ensure your data is safe and securely backed up. So, let's walk through the steps to export your Monday.com board effectively. First, open Monday.com in your Chrome browser and log in with your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific board you intend to back up. Be sure to select the right board so you have all the necessary information saved. Once you're in the board, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the interface. You'll spot a three-dot menu here, often referred to as the More Actions menu. Click on it and it will reveal a drop-down list with several options for managing your board. From this list, you'll want to choose Export Board to Excel. This is a handy feature that allows you to take all the hard work and information you've accumulated and transform them into a tangible Excel file that you can store and access at your convenience. At this point, you may encounter an option to select specific columns or data to export. You might find this step important if you're only looking to save certain data rather than the entire board. Tailor this part of the process to suit your particular needs and ensure you're bringing along all the necessary information you'll rely on later. Now, with all your data selections made, you can go ahead and click the Export button. Almost instantly, the file will begin to download to your computer. You'll find it in your default Downloads folder unless you've specified a different download location in your browser settings. The final step in this backup process is all about securing your data. Navigate to the location where your Excel file was downloaded and consider where you'd like to store it for easy access and safety. A great strategy is to save it in a cloud storage service like Google Drive or OneDrive. These platforms not only offer security but also the advantage of remote access from virtually anywhere. Alternatively, you could choose to save it to an external hard drive for physical backup. That wraps up the process of backing up your Monday.com data. It's a pretty straightforward task, but one that's incredibly important for the security and peace of mind it provides. Regular backups will ensure that your data remains safe in the event of account issues, data corruption, or other unforeseen problems. Thank you for watching. Keep an eye out for more tips and tutorials to help streamline your workflow and secure your digital information.